Dr. Kelly with our Family Chiropractic. I have one of our pregnant mamas here, and we're just going to show you today what an adjustment is like for someone who is currently pregnant. This is Haley. She is just recently into her third trimester, right? You are officially
28 weeks.
third trimester. And I'm just going to let her tell you a little bit about why she's getting adjusted, what she's experienced.
So this is my third pregnancy, and my two boys are here talking to us now. I had 2 natural births, and I got adjusted through both of those 2 pregnancies. I'm a nurse, so I'm on my feet and busy and doing a physical job, and I really don't have any pain. I don't have a problem with headaches or any of that unless I don't get adjusted. So I routinely am getting adjusted about every other week, and it helps me feel good and have a good birth.
Yep, for sure. So what we do is we use these pillows. Sometimes people are like, how am I going to lay down to get adjusted? These pillows have a cutout in the middle for your belly, and there's also a cushion for your chest here. We can stack them up. So if you're a mom with multiples, we do have the ability to still have you lay face down, which is actually really comfortable to do when you have a giant belly. So I'm going to let Haley get comfortable. Do you want to help me adjust, Mom? Okay.
I'll use these.
You want to check her legs? Okay.
But my mom said I just can't touch my legs.
Yep, don't touch her feet because she was in the hospital. So a lot of women during pregnancy experience upper back stiffness just because we have changing biomechanics because our bellies grow while we're pregnant. The adjustments that we do are always very gentle. We don't use a lot of force. Your body's releasing a lot of hormones during pregnancy that makes it so your ligaments are very loose. So we do want to make sure that you're getting nice, gentle adjustments. Take a little breath. Breathe. Good. So you will still hear a little popping or clicking sound. Our bodies tend to pop and click a little bit more during pregnancy because of that laxity.
So for me, that was an improvement because I was getting migraines.
Ooh, that was a good one. So we tend to carry a ton of stress up through here. As we grow here, our bodies tend to kind of try to counteract, so we end up with that forward head posture. That makes us really tight. Sometimes people are more prone to headaches during pregnancy. I know Haley is. Even if she gets off just a little bit of her schedule, she'll sometimes get a headache. So we do something called Webster's technique. Webster's technique is a specific analysis for pregnancy and a specific adjustment for pregnancy where we're looking at your sacrum, your tailbone, and your uterus actually attaches to your tailbone. So this is for mom's comfort, but it's also for baby's position to help decreases the chances of any constraint in utero. You can play with this now. So constraint in utero can mean different things. Really, we just want baby head down in that perfect position. That's going to make it less likely that you have to ever talk to your doctor about a C-section or encounter any problems during this delivery process itself. Relax right here. Good. She did it like good. On your back. So we do adjust pregnant women on their sides during pregnancy. It's important not to get a big twist in your spine, so it still needs to be a super gentle, and it's a really comfortable adjustment there too. And then we follow up that adjustment with a little bit of ligament work. So we're not like pushing on the baby or anything. We're not trying to move the baby around. We're just holding some pressure on this ligament. This is part 2 of Webster's technique. The first part is the adjustment. The second part is taking some pressure off of that ligament. And if you've been pregnant before, you know that you can have a lot of pulling. Have you had any ligament pain with this pregnancy? Not since the very beginning. Okay, that's good. Yeah. I'd say most women probably get it more with their first pregnancy. I know I had it more with my first pregnancy, but some women don't have it at all. Some women have it intensely, even with a subsequent second or third pregnancy. So sometimes you'll feel like if you sit up really quickly, it pulls. Babies tend to be really active during and after adjustments. I always take that as a good sign, meaning that we've opened up a little bit of space. There's no constraint in the uterus, so they can move around and be free. They tend to kick and punch a little bit more after an adjustment. Oh, yeah. Okay, X right through here. Good. So when it comes to headaches, most headaches tend to be cervicogenic in nature, meaning they come from the cervical spine, from your neck. Women hormonally are a lot more prone to headaches during pregnancy.
Mommy! Hi, Baby.
And then we also always check wrists and ankles. Those little tiny bones tend to get kind of squashed anyway, but again, during pregnancy, we tend to pop and click more. Have you had more popping and clicking? I like to call it,
Especially my wrist.
yeah, I call it mommy wrist, where we sometimes will get tingling or numbness, or just that general weakness. So, super easy, safe, gentle, comfortable, right? And I know I'm biased, of course, but I always feel great after I get adjustments, especially during pregnancy. How long do you feel like you go right now between adjustments while still feeling good?
I go about every other week. So I go 2 weeks in between and I still feel good. But if I miss a week, I can tell I'm stiffer.
Yeah.
I feel like I need to stretch more. So
Yeah.
I come every other week.
So usually every other week works really well through like the bulk of your pregnancy, and then toward the end, how often were you getting adjusted toward the end of your last pregnancies?
Every week at least.
Every week, yeah. I was doing the same.
Mhm.
So, you know, as we grow, we just need a little bit more care, especially if you're spending a lot of time on your feet. But our goal is just to keep you comfortable, make sure you have an easy pregnancy if possible, and an easy delivery if possible. Make sure baby comes out healthy, of course. So thank you so much for being our demo patient, and thank you for watching. Make it a great day.